In this exploration, we dive deeper into what it means to experience time. The ocean stretches infinitely, much like our thoughts, memories, and dreams. Each wave represents a moment rising and falling, yet always part of the same body of water. As we stand on the shore, we reflect on our past, present, and future, realizing they are interconnected. With every breath, we navigate this ocean of time, seeking understanding and meaning. Join me as we continue this journey together, understanding that each question leads us to new discoveries. We asked our AI the ultimate question: what is time? First, it showed us physics. Time as a fabric bent by gravity, a law of the universe. Then it showed us our brain. Time as an illusion, stitched together from memory and perception, an internal construct. But its final answer was the most profound. It quoted ancient philosophers. Time isn't a river, it's an ocean we exist within. The past, present, and future are just directions we can look, a matter of consciousness. This journey into the mind is the core of the book I wrote, Energy. It's a guide to navigating time within ourselves. The link is in the description. Some questions just open bigger doors. Subscribe and let's walk through them together. Walk.